I'm Arya Hendro Ramadan from the seventh semester would present uh, the midterm psycholinguistic in map making. Today, in purpose to fulfill the material as requested for midterm psycholinguistic, I will explain on the meeting 4 about language and thought. Linguistic relativity, the interconnected language and thought. When we talk to each other, when we conscious or unconsciously hear someone's speech, how do we understand someone's language? How do we understand someone's thought? From this chart, we can see that the brain was at the bottom of the map, likewise a tree, in which it grows into several branches. It's separated into 3 branches. The first, language, discourse, and thought. It proves that brain is the center of our main device to produce language and thought. Divided into 3 partitions, it shows brain produce language and thought, and how both are connected. From the left side, it shows the branch of language. At this part, language produces at least vocabulary and structures based on the order of our brain's ability. Grammatical order is granted when we learn manually since even our childhood. For instance, in our childhood, especially first time, we are already able to speak. Our mother teach us alphabet A to Z. To remember the letters, in purpose we are able to arrange the most basic word from every single letter chosen. Afterwards, our mother teach us some basic vocabulary. In purpose, we are expected to be able to arrange from each words we have remembered into well-structured sentence. And secondly, the right branch. It shows brain produce thought. Thought is the action process of thinking. Thought can be from idea or opinion in conscious or unconscious way conveyed in the mind. For instance, thought pattern. Thought pattern is the way of person thinking for things. For instance, if someone lost in the forest, he or she certainly seeking for anything can help him or her out. Every person has their own way. The process or procedure of escaping from the forest called thought pattern. Now, how both language and thought are interconnected? Apparently, both language and thought are interconnected through thought link. As it appears on the screen, thought link in the thought link called discourse. Discourse is the way of how people communicated. It can be written, oral, or body